Welcome to Furnace Repair Sommerset West-Elmonica, South Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now heating and cooling is the most suitable choice if you're searching for trustworthy HVAC contractors in your local area. Our skilled team provides services for both residential and commercial properties. We have over 25 years expertise in the HVAC industry, and we can take care of the most challenging HVAC issues. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are highly skilled in every aspect of the cooling and heating industry. They offer exceptional service with outstanding outcomes, exceptional customer service, and affordable prices. Every member of our staff takes great pride in staying current with all codes and the latest technology to keep your family and your home safe. No matter how difficult or big the task, we love doing what we do. This shows the quality of our work. Our HVAC contractors take care of small heating and cooling jobs, including maintenance requests to major central installation of cooling and heating systems. Only factory-trained technicians are employed. They're the best and most reliable workers in the industry. Your job will be completed correctly every time. Right now Heating and Cooling expects to maintain our relationship regardless of when the new equipment has been installed. Our ongoing support will ensure that your equipment is operating at maximum efficiency without causing interruptions. Our services include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and various other services. Our guiding principle is to provide an affordable price and skilled HVAC technicians. We also guarantee our work by offering a 100% guarantee of workmanship. Our HVAC contractors are available now to assist you with any heating or cooling repairs or installation services for your commercial or residential property. We offer options for pricing for each repair/expert guaranteed work. We offer emergency and weekend services in addition to warranties on all parts and labor. Please visit us at our website or phone us at 503-300-6124.